this is Adam Ogilvie with ORC Services. I'm here to reveal to you a project in the Palm Bay area. We service the Indian River, St. Lucie, and Brevard counties. We specialize in water, mold, and fire, and reconstruction services. So follow me, and I'd like to show you this house that we just finished up. So this home was damaged severely from Hurricane IRMA, and let's come on in and I'll show you what's going on. So in this home, the Hurricane IRMA damaged the roof of this home, and we had to remove all the ceilings, most of the walls, redo the electrical, and all new flooring in this base through the hallway, and follow me, I'll show you the rest of it here. So in here in the family room, the same thing. We had to remove the ceilings, remove the walls, brand new flooring throughout this home. Here in the kitchen, we had to replace the granite countertops, put in brand new upper cabinets and lower cabinets in here. It came out really nice. And let me show you, we had to redo most of this home, so follow me. So the house is a little bit small, but we had to redo the hallways, both bedrooms, and over here we put a brand new shower unit in the bathroom, a new vanity. So come on in and take a look at this. Brand new doors, brand new ceiling in this room, all new flooring, and over here is the master bedroom area to conclude the video. So this is the master bedroom area. New texture on the ceilings, redid the walls, brand new flooring, brand new little master bathroom area, new vanity, new tops, and came out really good. So I wanted to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this video. We're real proud of the work that we do rebuilding homes in the Indian River, St. Lucie, and Brevard area. If it's something that you're going through and need a good contractor, please give us a call at ORC Services. Thank you.